Pakistan security forces say they have killed at least 145 fighters in Balochistan, following a major manhunt launched after a wave of coordinated gun and bomb attacks across the province. The announcement came on Sunday, a day after attacks began early Saturday at multiple locations in southern western Balochistan. Nearly 50 people were killed, including 31 civilians and 17 security personnel. The attacks were claimed by the banned Balochistan Liberation Army, or BLA, and triggered sweeping security measures across the province. Authorities have imposed month-long restrictions, including a ban on public gatherings and demonstrations, limits on traffic movement, and a ban on face coverings in public to prevent attackers from hiding their identity. Balochistan Chief Minister Sarfraz Bugti said security forces and police responded swiftly, killing 145 fighters from what the government refers to as Fitna al-Hindustan. He said the highest number of militants killed in such operations in decades. Bugti claimed some of those killed were Afghanistan nationals and alleged that the attackers were backed by India and operating from Afghan territory.
देखिए इस दफा स्केल तो इसका ज़ाहिर है, जैसे आपने खुद फरमाया 12 जगहों पर था बलूचिस्तान की। अगर आप डायनेमिक्स देखें, फर्जैलिटीज देखें तो बहुत बड़ा प्रोविंस है, लेकिन उसकी जो लिथेलिटी थी वो इसलिए कम थी कि बिकॉज इंटेलिजेंस शेयरिंग पहले थी और हमारे उनके अटैक से पहले जो हमारा अटैक हुआ ऑन देम इन हरनाई एंड इन पंजगुर 41 वहां पर इनके जो जहन्नुम वसल हुए, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि वो उसकी वजह से भी, अदरवाइज कोयटा का जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट पर से भी अटैक आता, तो रिस्पॉन्स वाज स्पर्ब बाय द पुलिस, बाय द एफसीज एंड ऑफ कोर्स बाय द आर्म फोर्सेस। उनका इस्तेमाल ज़ाहिर कम है, यहाँ पर एफसी ज्यादा इस्तेमाल हो रही है और मेरा ख्याल है कि रिस्पॉन्स उस मार्क पे था जिसकी एक्सपेक्टेशन थी। ऑफ कोर्स जब आप ग्रे में ऑपरेट कर रहे होते तो सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस के अपने चैलेंजेस होते हैं, पॉपुलेशन में लोग आके मिक्स होते हैं, वहां आकर जब कहीं पर भी अटैक करते हैं तो वहां पर आसपास के जो लोग होते हैं वो ये हमेशा कोशिश करते हैं कि एक ह्यूमन शील्ड जो है वो इनको दस्तयाब हो, खसूस जब वो शहरों में आते हैं।
He said the fighters were attempting to take hostages but were stopped before reaching central areas. Pakistan's military said 92 fighters were killed on Saturday, with 41 killed on Friday, adding that the intelligence-led pre-operations had begun a day earlier. The BLA has frequently targeted security forces and civilians, including Chinese nationals working on development projects in the region. The United States condemned the violence, calling it terrorism and expressing solidarity with Pakistan. The BLA is designated by Washington as a foreign terrorist organization. Pakistan continues to face militant threats in multiple regions, including from factions linked to Tehreek-e Taliban Pakistan, as security forces remain on high alert nationwide.